start. Okay, Madhusudan, can you explain in brief about T series?
Yes, sir. I have not heard about more about this T series. According to me, this T series means they release MP3 songs.
Music
Only that
company.
much.
T series is a
Ah,
music
yes,
company.
sir. And that yes, yes, sir. That much only I know, sir. No, more than that I don't know.
Okay, Shamruddhi, can you explain about T series? Shamruddhi,
Yes, I know little bit about it. I think Bhushan Kumar started company. He is the founder of T Series. T Series launches music albums. Basic things I know about T Series.
okay, Prasenjit, what do you know about T series? Prasenjit, are you there? Hello, Prasenjit, are you there? Okay, anyway. Okay, Madhusudan, tell me, apart from T series, what are the other music companies in Bollywood?
Sir, I means as I am in South and I don't know much about Bollywood, but I know I have saw some movies, but I am not so familiar with the music companies.
You are from South.
Yes, sir. I am in Karnataka.
Oh, Karnataka. So, what are some music companies in Karnataka?
Yes, sir. In Karnataka, there is Anand Audio. Yeah, that much only I know because it is only the famous Anand Audio.
Okay, Samruddhi. So, who are the competitors of T series in Bollywood
It,
industry?
it's Desi Music Factory, G Music, Sony Music, like that, etc.
What else?
Desi Music Factories, G Music, Sony Music.
Also, who is the founder of T series? You said
It's Gulshan Kumar.
Gulshan Kumar.
Yes.
So, how did he started?
I don't know, but I'll I don't know, but I think he's a musician. We listen so many songs of Gulshan Kumar. He's not famous because of T series, but I think he's also a musician.
Yeah, that is true. Also a musician. Okay, Abhishek, are you there? Abhishek, Abhishek, are you
Yes, sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, do you hear songs of T series? Do you hear T series song?
Yes, sir.
So, which one are your favorite?
Darshan Rawal.
On
Darshan Rawal.
why? What is so special about that song?
So it joyful songs means most it relate to my life. That's
Anything else apart from that song?
mm, no, sir. Mostly in
So, which song do you hear most? You hear most of T series song only.
so it depends which actor is there. Means I don't means on YouTube they come and I only listen. I don't focus on which T series is producing it or other something is producing it.
Okay, Madhusudan. So, which company's song do you hear most?
Yes, sir. I said no, sir. Anand Audio.
So,
I
what is your
will.
favorite song? There.
Sir, not only a singer, many songs are there.
Can you name some of them?
Yes, sir. You have heard KGF, no, sir? KGF movie.
Which one?
KGF.
Can you repeat the name?
KGF.
Oh, okay, okay.
In that KGF film, all the songs I love. They are very means they will create the enthusiastic manner in our mind. Means according to me, I don't know others, but in my mind, it has it has created a heroic like heroic like strength. It has created. So I love that.
Okay, Abhishek. So tell me, let's say that you are planning to start a music company, okay? So how would you start that music company? What would be your strategy?
So I really don't know about the music industry. So means
You
or
don't know
anything
about
else.
music industry?
No, sir.
What is there? Only singers singing song, or you can say music cassette like that.
So it is
Yeah.
easy to see it from outside, but inside there is much more conflicts and all that things. Struggle is real.
Okay, so do you think that music industry is very competitive, like just like the Bollywood industry?
Yes, sir, that only.
Okay, Samruddhi, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
So tell me, why do you think that most of the singers fail to get a fame in the music industry? Why do you think that most of the singers fail to succeed in the music industry, in the Indian music industry especially?
Because in Indian music or in Indian film culture, when someone gets famous, then he or she get more chances. But with no fame, no one get more chances. Means failure of some singer is reason behind behind nepotism. Means let's take example of one and two singers like Neha Kakkar. She gives two hit songs, then she get most of the song of T series. But we can't search for real talent. So I think that's why so many singers are failed. But there is no issues of platform because the reality shows so many singers get platform to show their talent, but they did not get opportunity in companies or in a commercial music.
Can you repeat about that Neha Kakkar again? The story of Neha Kakkar?
What?
Neha Kakkar, you are saying na about Neha Kakkar.
Okay, I just gave an example. She came from a poor background, but after she giving some hits, most of the songs are in now situation are sung by the Neha Kakkar. So it was just an example.
Okay, so Samruddhi, as you said that the founder of T Series is Gulshan Bhushan. So I guess you know that that guy was murdered in Bollywood during I guess the 1990s. He was murdered by the Don or mafia members. So why do you think he was murdered?
I don't know. I just knew about that. I don't know. He was murdered.
Yeah, he was killed actually because
Oh,
he he refused to help his competitors there because there are several competitors. He was getting very much popular, and so there were several competitors who wanted to copy paste his song, but he refused to do it. He tried to prevent it, and that's why the Dons of Mumbai they plotted a conspiracy against him, and he was murdered.
Oh,
Okay, Madhusudan. So, what do you think? What are the essential qualities of a singer? What do you, if you, for example, if you want to be a singer, what quality should you possess?
Yes, sir. If anyone or suppose if I want to become a singer means first means you must be knowing the basic things of music. At least if you don't know how to play any instrument, you should be knowing at least some of the basics, and you should be knowing how to sing any song. And or it is well and good if you know any instrument and you can sing also. Yes, sir. And then later on, if he has these skills, means later on he can learn and he can make his life very in a good manner.
Okay, Madhusudan, now tell me, how would you start a music company of yours? Let's
Yes,
say
sir.
that you want to start a music company. How would you, what is your strategy? What would be your strategy in that case?
Yes, sir. Sir, first thing is uh, we have YouTube for our help. We'll create a YouTube channel. Then we will see. Then means I will be uploading many videos, audios, and all, and we'll be checking that for how much days and how much weeks, how much viewers are viewing, and what are the comments, and we will tally it everything. We'll check it for 1 year. Then if okay, we can start a music in I mean, like T series and all we can do means then we'll go ahead. Then after we'll go on collecting the means then when we'll collect the original music. We'll go and we'll buy the music, and then we'll start to sell it in lower prices in offer. Like that we can start, and then uh, going near music producers and all and asking them for producing the own musics and introducing this singers, famous singers and all. Like that many steps are there, sir. Step by step we should include.
So, how would you compete with T Series? Because it's already an established brand in the industry, right? And you are a very small company. You are just starting. So, how would you compete, or how can you beat T Series?
Yes, sir. Means we at starting means directly we are not going to introduce our business, no. So then I think it would help us, and it wouldn't make any harm to us. And later on if our subscribers and all like they increase means it will be helpful. We can start business, no. Then gradually we will become competitors to T series, and then we will check means at that time also we will do comparison. Means what does people prefer means why people are going to T series and why people are not coming to our business. Then we will try to change anything and all. Then again introducing many new rules and all like that we can improve, sir. And by this there won't be no harm to us. If we directly want to start business means I want to do that, I want to get 1 crore and I want to get 10 crore in per annum and all means it is very difficult.
Okay, Shamruddhi. So, same question for you. If you start your music company from scratch, so what would be the strategy to beat T Series?
firstly, uh, I'll give some. I give chance to singer. It comes from really poor background because first, uh, through the view of my business, they take very less money because they just want chance. So I save my money from there, and I get some real talent from those part of the India. And second, I'm not trying to beat T series. I'm trying to beat my company. Example, my first song get 10 million views. So I try to my second song get 12 million views. I'm directly not compared to T series that they get 100 or 200 million views. So I want 250 million views. No, I'm start from little bit. I compete with myself, and then after some time we try to improve my company, not compete to other companies. I focused on give chances on singers that are not famous, uh, to point of view of my company's business.
Okay, Abhishek, you there?
Yes,
Abhishek?
sir.
Yeah, so Abhishek, can you tell me what are some dark side of the music industry, especially the Indian music industry, which people don't talk about or which we don't get to know?
So recently I watched a YouTube video. So means I have seen that the man was telling that all the Indian idols from all the 15 seasons of Indian idols. So all the winners of the show means who have earned the fame. They were only means they were only there in industry only for 2 3 years maximumly, and after that none of the winner is there in the industry. Means you will not
None of
see
the
any of the
winners?
winner. Yes, sir. From Indian Idol, top top ones, and means you need money and fame. You need money basically for all these things. The case of Neha Kakkar, she was means Indian Idol. She was I think runner up or at third rank, but still now she is famous. But the one who were from poor background means I cannot see them on stage now. They're not there. So this must be some
But
there
Neha
must
Kakkar
be
was also
something.
from a poor background, right?
So I don't know, but I have watched that video. Means from that video, I have seen this.
Okay. No issue. Okay, anyway, let's end the session here today. We can meet again on next Tuesday. Anyway, thank you for joining. Good night, everyone.
Good night.
You know,
Good night.